Mary with Papercrafting Threads. Today I'm turning a hip hippo into a cool cow with some woohoo wobbly action. Follow along. To start, I'm using a paper trimmer to cut a piece of gold foil paper into a 4" by 4" square. Then I taped the wave die from the hippo's die set onto a scrap piece of basic white cardstock that is 3 inches wide and ran it through my cut and emboss machine. I won't be using the embossed wave part, save it for another project. I want just the wavy edge to use as a mask. I placed the wavy edge upside down on my gold foil paper and used a blending brush to apply layers of Pacific Point ink. Smooth out any hard edges by going over the area again with just the blending brush and ink. Add some ink to a scrap piece of basic white paper as well. Die cut the water droplets from the inked scrap, the life preserver from real red cardstock, and the propeller from silver foil. All dies are from the free hippo die set during celebration. Stamp the hippo image with black memento ink onto a scrap piece of basic white cardstock and die cut. Die cut the boat from gray granite cardstock. Add even more dimension to the boat with a few swipes of alcohol ink using a light gray granite Stampin' blend. Color in the hippo's muzzle and belly with the light petal pink Stampin' blend and add shadows with the dark petal pink blend. Go back over the darker color with the light petal pink and blend them together. Turn that hippo into a Holstein cow by coloring in random spots with the dark basic black blend. Now it's time for assembly. Roll up a glue dot by pressing the tip of your finger on one edge and rolling it away from you. Place the glue dot on the back of the life preserver, and repeat. Attach the life preserver to the prow of the boat. Add a drop of liquid glue to the stern of the boat and attach the propeller. Add liquid glue to the bottom edge of the cow and add the boat. Ink up the woohoo sentiment by inking just the first half in Pacific Point ink and stamping it on a 1½ by 1 5/8 inch piece of basic white cardstock. Ink the rest of the sentiment and stamp underneath the first part. Here's a pro tip. Use a blender brush to smooth out the inked image for when your ink pad is a little dry and the image is not solidly inked. Add a layer of Tahitian tied cardstock behind the sentiment. Stamp the starfish from July's paper pumpkin kit on the inside of the card in Tahitian tied ink. My card base is 4 1/4 inches square. I added a matte layer of Tahitian tied cardstock 4 1/8 inch square. Next, I added the gold foil waves. I added an action wobble purchased on Amazon to the back of my cow in a boat. Add 3 3 drops of liquid glue just above the waves and adhere the splashes. You can find written instructions for this card at Please hit that subscribe button to be notified of more of my videos. Thanks for watching!